أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم لولا جاءوا عليه بأربعة شهداء فإذ لم يأتوا بالشهداء فأولئك عند الله هم الكاذبون. Why did they not produce four witnesses? And when they do not produce the witnesses, then it is they in the sight of Allah who are the liars. لولا جاءوا عليه بأربعة شهداء فإذ لم يأتوا بالشهداء فأولئك عند الله هم الكاذبون. Respected audience, now we can get to the meaning. The meaning. Lawla, yesterday or before the video we have already studied the lawla, but here lawla like written like this and here like this, so you understand. Inshallah I will give you the tajweed, then I will telling that the what is that. Okay, so lawla, why did not ja'u alayhi bi arba'ati shuhada, they not bring, why did they not bring four witnesses, bi arba'ati shuhada, four witnesses. So why did not they bring four witnesses on this? Why did they not produce four witnesses like this? فَإِذْ لَمْ يَأْتُوا بِالشُّهَدَاءِ, then when they do not bring witnesses, and why they do not produce the witnesses, فَأُولَٰئِكَ عِندَ اللَّهِ هُمُ الْكَاذِبُونَ, then surely they are the liars before Allah. Then it is they in the sight of Allah who are liars. This is the meaning. The ayat, or this ayat, teaching us two important points. First, this highlights the Islamic legal requirement of four witnesses for serious accusations and the severe consequences of false or faithless accusations. The second one, this ayat emphasizes the importance of witnesses in Islamic law and the consequences of false accusations. It states that those who made faithless, false accusations against Aisha radiyallahu anha, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's wife, are liars in the sight of Allah because of they failed to bring four witnesses to support their claim. This verse highlights the severe punishment for faithless, false accusations and the importance of upholding justice and truthfulness.
حسبي الله لا إله إلا هو عليه توكلت وهو رب العرش العظيم.
Now we can get to the tajweed. Please see here. Here before video we studied, or our class we studied this word. So here why they are writing shad lawla. Also here shad you can see why. Because if the reciter wanted to recite this ayat, adabun alimun law, you can continuity like this, alimun lawla id sami'tumuhu. And here فقالوا هذا يفك مبين لولا جاءوا, like this. So but the better is you stop here and you start from here the ayat. So we do that. When we are starting from here, we don't want it to give the shad. Okay, now low, not low. When you want to continuity, then you bring the shad on the la. But here we are stopping and we are taking this ayat, starting this ayat from here, lawla, like so. So without a shad, okay. And everybody thinking I can read the Quran. See here lawla and here lawla, what is the different? Here we can see on the alif one mad, what yesterday we studied it, mad munfasil, but here nothing. So here lawla id sami'tumuhu, we are reciting like this, but here lawla, it is wrong. Only we wanted to here recite the length of two fingers folding time, like this. Lawla, just we wanted to say, it will come lawla ja'u, lawla ja'u. But here ja'u, we wanted to length this alif 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. Our folding our fingers 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. So we can say this mad by because of this hams coming. But this jaa is one word alone, not two words. Here were the lawla, this mad is on the alif, but because of this hamza coming, but this hamza hamzatul qatl, this another word and this another word. So this mad is depending, therefore we are saying mad munfasil, and this mad alone in this word, this jaa the verb. So jaa, when you wanted to write in Quran jaa, you should like this mad, you want to write like this mad. So this mad is alone in this word, therefore this mad is mad muttasil and this mad is munfasil. Okay, so mad munfasil, mad muttasil is different. Mad munfasil only 2 times or 4 times, 5 times, sometimes 4 times, 5 times, like this. But this mad muttasil 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. The last time is the 6th time. So here we wanted to length the alif 6 times or 5 times or 4 times. This is wajib, hukmuhu wajib. So see, like this we can call this mad muttasil. Okay, alayhi, here alayhi, is this one we can call alayhi, we can call mad li. Okay, alayhi bi arba'ati shuhada. We take reading this word bi After that we wanted to bring the sound a. bi arba'ati. So this alif is hamzatul qatl. Okay, bi arba'ati shuhada, and this also jar majrur. Okay, now we can go arba'at 4. Okay, so shaheed shuhada, shaheed the singular, and plural shuhada, witnesses. Shaheed witness, sometimes with, other meaning will come here. Shaheed witnesses, shaheed witnesses, and shuhada witnesses. Okay, here this also mad we can say, because this mad coming because of this hams, but this also the same ja before we ja, same ja, because so we can call it mad muttasil, because this mad not depending this or here nothing, but this is one word. Shaheed shuhada is one word, so it is mad coming in one word, therefore mad muttasil. Now I told you the rules, and what about it I told you. Okay, and you can see here one jim, waqf al jais, you can say waqf jais. Okay, fa'id lam also, fa'id you wanted to bring this sound because of hamzatul qatl. Fa'id also the harf mudhar, you should be the. Fa'id. Lam also you wanted to bring the sound of meme on sukun by your lips. Lam, fa'id lam. You, everything, every people thinking I can read Quran. No. Fa'id lam yautu. No. Fa'id lam yautu. Fa'id lam yautu. We don't want to raga or melody here. We wanted to bring the sound of meme, of sukun out of our mouth. Lam, fa'id lam, our by our lips. Fa'id lam ya'tu, fa'id lam ya'tu. Okay, we wanted to hear 2 times mad tabi'in, and this alif among 7 alifs, we don't want to read this one. Here B already be, the same. Bi arba'ati shuhada, B already be studied, but here this alif is hamzatul wasl, not hamzatul qatl, because of you can see on it, there is a head of the sword, so a letter of sword. So we can because of we wanted to continuity read here bishuhadai, not bi ashuhadai, bishuhadai. Okay, so from B, after B we are coming here shu, not 2 alifs we don't wanted to read, so bishuhadai. Okay, shuhada also we already studied shuhada mad muttasil, there's to sorry, bishuhadai mad muttasil. And fa ulaika, here fa, after that you bringing this sound because of this mad was hamzatul qatl, and we don't want to read this wa, we are going from here to la, fa ulaika. So here you can see a small mad, alif, and on it mad because of this hamz. But ulaika is one word, not 2 words. So this mad not depending anything alone it in a word. So we can say also this one mad muttasil. So we already studied how many mads mad muttasil, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all mad muttasil. Okay, these are all 4 mad muttasil. Time is going. Okay, for ulaika indallahi, here inda you can see there is a noon, but there is no sukun because of this dal coming, because of this dal. So here the rule is ikhfa. Ikhfa means the sukun or tanween we wanted to cover, and we wanted to read there by our nose, instead of our nose. Indallahi, so we can call it ikhfa. Ikhfa has 15 letters. One letter is dal, and the dal we wanted to murakkak, loosely, smoothly. We wanted to say like inda, not like when I am saying Allah, Allah. Some see the different there. So we want here in indallahi. Here, here also. This alif also hamzatul wasl indallahi. Ikhfal, I told you ikhfal. You want to ikhfal and iqlab and izhar shafawi. What is the difference? Here you should read indallahi by your nose instead of your nose. Okay, and sukun or tanween we will cover it. We wanted to cover. Okay. Indallahi, ismul jalala. This word we wanted to mufakham. Humul kadibun. Hum, here was the meme was sukun, but sukun gone, and we bring a wammat, one wammat, and we because of we wanted to read this two word continuity. So humul kadibun. So we don't want to read this hamzatul wasl. We like to be reading this humul kadibun. Kadibun ismu fa'il from kadiba. Ismu fa'il mudakkar, masculine active participle, kadibun. Jam'uhu kadibuna, masculine active participles. Okay, inshallah. And so I am requesting you to share and to subscribe, to like, because if you are a scholar, but there is some people they can't to read, they can't to understand the Quran. So I am requesting you to cooperate with us. Thanks too much viewing this video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.